Have you ever wondered why so many people swear by the ketogenic diet? Not just celebrities or influencers, but everyday people who say it transformed their health, their energy, and even their brain? Well, today we're going beyond the surface. We're unpacking the real reasons why the keto diet works and exploring 3 surprising advantages most people never hear about. This isn't about hype or trend. It's about understanding how your body truly responds to this metabolic shift. So grab your favorite cup of tea, get comfortable, and let's dive in. What is keto, really? Before we uncover the surprising benefits, let's quickly define what keto actually is, without the jargon. The ketogenic diet is a way of eating that drastically reduces carbohydrate intake while increasing fats and keeping protein moderate. By cutting carbs, your body enters a state called ketosis. This is when your body switches its fuel source from glucose, sugar, to ketones, which are produced from fat. In simple terms, keto trains your body to become a fat-burning machine. But this shift goes far deeper than just burning fat. It changes the way your brain works, how your hormones communicate, and how your cells produce energy. Let's explore how. Advantage number 1, brain power on ketones, a cleaner, sharper energy source. Most people don't realize this, but your brain thrives on ketones. In fact, ketones are the preferred fuel source for the brain during times of low glucose, and they're incredibly efficient. Why is that? Because ketones produce more energy per unit of oxygen than glucose. In other words, they give your brain more power with less waste. Many people report clearer thinking, better focus, and even improved mood on a ketogenic diet. And research backs this up. Ketones have neuroprotective effects, meaning they protect your brain cells against damage and aging. They reduce oxidative stress, stabilize neural connections, and even stimulate something called BDNF, or brain-derived neurotrophic factor. BDNF helps grow new brain cells and improve memory. That's why many neurologists have explored keto for conditions like Alzheimer's, Parkinson's, and epilepsy. But even if you don't have a medical condition, this brain boost can be a game changer. Better focus, more stable mood, sharper memory. It's not caffeine, it's biology. Scientific deep dive, brain and ketones. When you're in ketosis, your liver breaks down fats into molecules called ketone bodies, mainly beta-hydroxybutyrate, BHB, acetoacetate, and acetone. BHB is the most prevalent and potent ketone. It crosses the blood-brain barrier easily, providing a consistent and efficient source of energy for brain cells. A study published in Nature Reviews Neuroscience showed that BHB not only fuels neurons, but also reduces neuroinflammation and oxidative stress, 2 major contributors to cognitive decline. Ketones also activate mitochondrial biogenesis, essentially helping your cells build new, healthy mitochondria. This means more energy, better brain endurance, and less cellular wear and tear. Advantage number 2, lower insulin equals lower inflammation. This one is huge and often misunderstood. Let's start with a basic truth. Most modern diseases, whether it's type 2 diabetes, heart disease, or even joint pain, have one thing in common: chronic inflammation. And what fuels inflammation more than anything else? High insulin. When you eat lots of carbs, especially refined ones like bread, pasta, and sugar, your body pumps out insulin to handle the blood sugar spike. But when insulin is constantly elevated day after day, it triggers an inflammatory response in the body. It tells your cells something's wrong. And over time, this leads to damage. Now here's where keto flips the script. When you go low carb and enter ketosis, insulin levels drop significantly. Less insulin equals less inflammation. You'll notice it in all kinds of ways. Joint pain improves, skin clears up, brain fog lifts, digestive issues settle. It's not magic, it's metabolic peace. Scientific deep dive, insulin and inflammation. When you eat carbohydrates, glucose enters your bloodstream. In response, the pancreas releases insulin, which helps shuttle that glucose into your cells. However, over time, especially with high-carb diets, your cells become less sensitive to insulin. This is called insulin resistance. This excess insulin promotes fat storage, damages blood vessels, and triggers inflammatory pathways like NF-κB and IL-6. But by reducing carbs and lowering insulin, the ketogenic diet reduces the activity of these inflammatory markers. Multiple studies, including one in the Journal of Clinical Investigation, have shown that ketogenic diets significantly lower C-reactive protein, CRP, a key marker of systemic inflammation. This isn't just theory, it's measurable biology. Advantage number 3, hunger hormones rebalanced, cravings lose their grip. Here's something nobody talks about enough. The keto diet doesn't just change what you eat, it changes how hungry you feel. You've probably heard of ghrelin, your hunger hormone. It rises before meals and falls after eating. And then there's leptin, your fullness hormone. In a high-carb diet, these hormones often get out of sync. You feel hungry even after eating. You crave sugar when you're tired or stressed. You snack not because you're truly hungry, but because your hormones are confused. On keto, this rebalances. When your body runs on fat and ketones, ghrelin levels drop and leptin sensitivity improves. That means you stay fuller longer. You stop obsessing over food. Cravings begin to fade, especially sugar cravings. In fact, many people on keto report going hours without thinking about food because their body is finally satisfied. That food freedom is one of the most powerful emotional benefits of the ketogenic lifestyle. Bonus clarification, keto isn't bacon all day. Let's clear up a common myth. Keto is not about stuffing yourself with bacon and cheese all day long. Yes, it's high in fats, but the focus should be on healthy fats, avocados, olive oil, fatty fish like salmon, nuts and seeds, coconut oil, and paired with plenty of non-starchy vegetables, herbs, spices, and high-quality proteins. A well-formulated keto diet is rich in nutrients, far more than the standard American diet. And yes, you can do keto as a vegetarian or even vegan with the right planning. Frequently asked questions. Q. Will I lose muscle on keto? Not if you're eating enough protein and doing resistance training. Ketones help preserve lean muscle. Q. Isn't keto bad for cholesterol? Keto often improves HDL, lowers triglycerides, and enhances your cholesterol ratio. The whole lipid panel matters more than just one number. Q. Can I do keto as a vegetarian or vegan? Yes. Use olive oil, coconut oil, nuts, seeds, tofu, and plant-based protein powders. Q. Is keto safe long-term? For many people, yes. But talk to your doctor, especially if you have health conditions or are taking medications. Common mistakes on keto. Neglecting electrolytes. This leads to fatigue, headaches, and the keto flu. Too much dairy and processed meat. These can slow progress and cause inflammation. Not eating enough fiber, load up on leafy greens and cruciferous veggies. Impatience. Fat adaptation takes a few weeks. Be consistent and kind to your body. Beginner-friendly keto meal plan, one-day guide, breakfast. Scrambled eggs with spinach and olive oil, half an avocado, black coffee or green tea, lunch. Grilled chicken thighs over mixed greens with olive oil and lemon, a handful of almonds. Snack, optional, celery sticks with almond butter. Dinner, baked salmon with roasted asparagus and cauliflower mash. Hydration tip, drink water consistently. Add sea salt or use electrolyte drops if needed. Optimizing keto with lifestyle habits. Here are 3 powerful habits that make keto work even better. 1. Intermittent fasting. Try a 16 to 8 schedule. Fast for 16 hours. Eat during an 8-hour window. It boosts autophagy and fat burning. 2. Prioritize sleep. Poor sleep spikes cortisol and cravings. Aim for 7 to 9 hours, with a wind-down routine and dark bedroom. 3. Manage stress. Chronic stress raises blood sugar. Walk, journal, breathe deeply, or just spend time in nature. These habits amplify the benefits of keto physically, mentally, and emotionally. Keto myths debunked. Myth number 1, keto is just a fad. Keto has been used clinically for over a century. It's not a trend, it's a tool. Myth number 2, you have to eat tons of meat. Keto is about healthy fats and balance, not stuffing yourself with bacon. Myth number 3, you'll be tired without carbs. Fatigue is temporary. Once you're fat adapted, energy soars, and it's more stable than ever. Final thoughts. So why does keto work? Cleaner brain fuel, lower inflammation, balanced hunger hormones, steady energy, fewer cravings. And when combined with sleep, movement, and mindset, you unlock next level vitality. Keto isn't about being perfect. It's about fueling your body with what it was designed to use. If this video helped you, hit like, share it with someone curious about keto, and subscribe for more science-backed, practical health insights. And comment below, have you tried keto? What was your experience? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.